Greetings and welcome to Module 5. This week, we'll dive into Stringer's three-step cycle for action research. Look, think, act. In this module, we'll look. So what does Stringer mean by look? In Chapter 4, Stringer describes the look step as simply to gather information to extend understanding. In this module, we'll examine the sources of information that help us learn about and begin to understand the problem or issue we wish to address. The steps we cover in this module and in Chapter 4 of the text are steps you will take and document in your group proposal. This week, we want to accomplish the following. Identify sources of information for data gathering, list multiple data gathering methods, describe the application of statistical data, and describe how data gathering impacts triangulation to demonstrate trustworthiness of your project or study. Let's move on to the next slide to talk about gathering data. So, why gather data? Here's a question I've asked myself as an OD practitioner. Why gather a lot of data when I already know a thing or two about this topic and I think I know how to handle it? This is often the challenge for the OD practitioner. We have expertise and we want to apply it. Certainly, there are scenarios and organizations in which that's really appropriate. If you're applying a participatory model, however, it's essential that you not default to your own expertise, but leverage the expertise of the stakeholders. From the text, and I quote, "Policymakers, program managers, and others develop interventions and programs on the basis of their own experience, rather than the experience of the people whom their policies are meant to benefit." In participatory action learning and action research, a tremendous benefit is the buy-in and sustainable change that can occur when the stakeholders' knowledge, effort, and commitment are engaged.